Mahal.
Yes.
Now choose which steak you like.
Wow,
This is medium rare.
Medium rare. My favorite.
Yes, your favorite. Choose which one.
This.
Okay. Bismillah.
Mashallah, tabarakallah. Yummy, yummy. Steak.
Rib-eye steak.
Ya salam.
Is it really medium rare?
شوف كيف شكلها من جوا حمرة ومن برا مقمرة. هو ده الستيك ولا بلاش؟ How does it taste? أدوق. الله تسلم ايدك.
This is the one you like? Alhamdulillah. Get the garlic. You like the garlic?
ايوه معها كمان ثوم محروق. الله مية مية.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Marwa's Kitchen. Today, I'll be showing to you how to make steak medium rare. As this is the request of my husband. It's his favorite. So, I will do my best to do it for him. This is a rib eye already marinated. It was marinated with salt, black pepper, coriander powder, and olive oil. I marinated it since last night, so it will be tasting very delicious. Now, I'm heating my hot plate to very high. Once it's already lighting green, that means it's ready to start cooking the steak. Now, my hot plate is already giving me a green light. I'll start cooking now the steak, each side for 1 minute only. I'm putting butter first on the plate. I'm putting now the steak. Cooking it for 1 minute each side. Now 1 minute finished, I'll turn it upside down. I'll cook it again for another 1 minute. I'm putting garlic to give more taste. Now 1 minute has passed already. I'm just trying to put on the other side again just for a few seconds. This is now our medium rare steak. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe in YouTube and follow in Facebook. Bye.
Bye.